Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on room 404 in TryHackMe. It's part of the Hacker Holidays challenge, and we have to finish a series of these. It's day 2. We have different challenges for day 0 and day 1. So this is day 2, room 404. I've already started my Kali Linux machine and the target machine. I have the IP addresses and I've opened a terminal. Let's read the description. Concierge briefing. He booked the quiet room. It's not on the floor plan, not in the brochure, not on any door, but port 8080 is wide open, and the rooms it never lists are the ones worth finding. Welcome to the Byte Lotus, where the Wi Fi is open, the app is free, and the concierge already knows your coffee order. You spend these first days as a guest who simply notices things. So, this is just the description. Basically, they're saying that the developer shipped it in a hurry. So, we have dumping the exposed source code, which is a good hint, and directory enumeration. So we're going to have to use a Gobuster for that. So first let's do the directory enumeration. Let's see. Uh, we'll use different word lists. Where are the word lists? So the big indexes and small. I think we're going to use indexes. The only one left is big. I think I should try common. I will try common first because it takes less time. Look at that, we already have a .git.head, and it's returning a status 200, which means that it's publicly open and not restricted. The developer forgot to close it. So perfect, we have the .git index now. I'm just going for this we're going to use git-dumper. It's taking a bit of time to load. Yes. So there are going to be some errors in this way. So we're just going to have to make it on path and use it. Let's see what it returns. Okay, we're just going to keep git dumper timeout user agent. The URL is this one slash dot git. Okay, and then output directory. And let's just go back to our file manager. We have it in root. As you can see, we have the files here. Let's inspect the readme.md. Yes, and here we go, we found the flag. Byte Lotus guest experience platform. This is an internal staging repository. Okay, they wanted to remove it before launch, and here we go. We have the flag. I'm going to blur this out. So we're just going to copy paste that back in, and we've successfully finished the room. With room 404. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough, and I hope that you will watch the future walkthroughs of the next challenges in the Hacker Holidays. And so that is exactly how you solve room 404 of the Hacker Holidays in TryHackMe. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.